Hello and welcome to this Curiko video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to launch a call. It can be either a one-on-one call or a group call using a computer on the Curiko platform. There's a couple different ways you can do this. This is the one that we found that has worked best for people. All right. So the first thing you want to do is open up your browser. You see I have mine here. And then you're going to want to navigate to the Zoom website. One thing to note is you can also do this using the Zoom application. I'll try to show you that as we go along here, okay? So the next step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click sign in. Then you're going to want to click this button here, the key that says SSO. Click on that. And then from there, you're going to enter Curiko, C-U-R-I-K-O, dash, not dot, the dash, C-A, and select continue. From here, it's going to take you to the Curiko website. One thing to note is if you do this through the Zoom application, it's the same process, okay? It will also direct you that way as well, all right? From here, you want to log in using the Curiko login information that you used to create your account, all right? So if you entered your email address, you're going to want to enter it in here. If you used Facebook, you're going to want to click sign in with Facebook. If you used Google, you're going to want to click sign in with Google, okay? If you be careful, because you might have used your Gmail to enter your email and sign in that way, which is one thing we've had people stumble on at this point. So try to remember if you use sign in with Google or sign up with Google, or you just entered your email and your password, okay? I did this. My stuff is already saved. So I'm going to log in this way. Let it think. And so now, if you've used the application, you can go to www.curiko.ca, sign in this way. And then from here, find your experience and launch it. I've got it right here. Another way you can do it is Zoom has already created a room for you. That's a great thing about the Curiko platform is you don't need to share your rooms, all that sort of stuff. It's made automatically for you. So if you go through the website, you can log in this way, and then you can go to meetings, and you can see your meeting coming up here. I have a great test group experience here, and just select start. So that's a super simple way if you go through the website rather than the app. And look there, it's all open for me, which is awesome. But also, like I said, if you go through the app, you can go to the Curiko website, click on your experience, and usually here there's a button that says your experience is about to start. It's not on that one, maybe because I thought I put this at a different time than I did. Let's see here. Oh yeah, here we go. This one. So if sometimes we're still working on this section of the page of the site, but if you go to Discover Experiences, you know your experience is coming up. Choose by date. Go to today. You'll see it there. That's pretty reliable. Click on that, and then I can click Join the Waiting Room. But because it knows that I'm the host, it is just going to launch Zoom for me, and it's going to make it so that everything's launched. All right. So those are a couple different ways you can do it. Again, I like logging in through the website and going to meetings and finding my meeting here, because then I don't have to search the Curiko website, which is great. But it's whatever way is best for you. All right. I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on the platform sometime soon.